Well, y'all already know where we starting the vlog again. What is good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. I appreciate you guys for coming back to another video. I appreciate y'all for showing love on the last video. As always, on all the videos, y'all always show love and I appreciate it. We is actually about to go see the Supra, hopefully get painted right now. I'm pretty sure they started, I don't know. But while I was at work, my painter, he sent me these clips. I'll post them right here. He sent me those clips and I was like, oh damn, they're prepping it for paint. Obviously they were prepping it like 2 maybe 3 hours ago, so I'm gonna go see right now and see if they even started painting or if they're painting it right now. So hopefully I can catch them mid-paint or something like that just to see. But that clip and all that, when he sent me that got me excited. I was like, yes bro, finally he's going into paint. Now that, bro, Christmas is like in a week or a week and a half, bro, I don't even think I might get the car next week. I might get it the following week. I think like New Year's Eve week. Probably before my birthday, I'll probably get it. I don't even know. Maybe next year. But hopefully I get it really soon because I want it back. I still haven't heard back from Arcade Titanium, my exhaust. Yo, so right there, I was talking about the Arcade Titanium thing. Actually, just yesterday, they posted something. I'm about to show you guys about my exhaust. I'm about to show you guys their post, what they posted yesterday. Damn, I'm trying to get this shit to focus. Man, I don't know if I can show y'all. It's not gonna focus. I don't know if y'all can read that, but basically it says it won't be back till January 2nd of next year. I tried to focus it for y'all, but it just wouldn't focus. But it won't be back till January 2nd, so won't be seeing my exhaust till next year. Just wanted to fill you guys in on that. Yeah, so I might have to use my boy's stock Supra exhaust. But speaking of him, speaking of the boy, he did something so sick to his Supra that I told him, bro, we have to get a video in. So hopefully maybe in this video or not this video, in the next video or so. And bro, his Supra right now looks so damn sick, bro. Like, he got so lucky on the piece. He got that carbon piece, bro. He got so lucky. Like, it was an unfortunate situation, but he got lucky. Like, it was one of those things. It was like a, damn, it sucks, but I got a win out of it. So his Supra right now looks so damn sick, bro. Like, I gotta see it, bro. I gotta show you guys because it looks sick. We are on the way to the paint shop. If you guys are all having a beautiful, amazing day so far, or night, whatever time you guys are watching this, make sure y'all hit the like button for your boy. Hit the subscribe button if you guys are new and be part of the family. Be part of the Inzane family, the Supra rebuild, everything, you feel me? And yeah, man, I'll pick up the camera when I get there. I have to record this on my phone though, because he said if I use my camera, I'll get an overspray on the lens. So we're using my phone. But damn, bro, look at the process. And he had to paint it himself. So shout out to him, bro. But look at this, it looking so good. Got the back, the wing over there. Getting the hood done, as you guys can see. He's pretty much got the whole side done too. He's got to do this a couple more. Here's the wing. Here's the rear. Looking hella good. Here's the rear. Damn. Almost painted the whole car basically all over again, except for the front fender. Damn. are, y'all, in the damn paint booth, bro. As you guys can see, the Supra is pretty much painted. We got the wing painted. Looks absolutely crazy. Oh my god. My boy Luis absolutely killed this shit, bro. He absolutely killed it. I'm like, shit. The whole paint just looks good. The hood, everything. The whole thing, bro. Look at the hood. Shit looks crazy. It's glossing, shining. The whole damn thing. He basically painted almost the whole car, except for the doors. But shit. You guys can all see it now. Homie's been at it for like 2.5 hours, he said. And it looks absolutely amazing, bro. The paint, everything's just popping. Y'all can just see it. Damn, this shit looks good, bro. He said he still needs the bumper and the rear bumper. The front bumper and the rear bumper, but other than that, bro, this shit looks crazy good. Paint looks good. Looks like nothing ever happened to the car. It looks like it's just getting a repaint. Like, damn. This shit looks hella good. Shout out to Luis, bro. I've been in here with him, but shout out to Luis. Because he let me stay in here and record. Obviously, I couldn't use the camera because it would have got paint inside, but I used my phone to get camera footage. So you guys will see that, but bro, it looks so sick. The whole paint, everything looks crazy. The wing, bro, the car's coming back together. It looks like nothing ever happened to the car, like literally, bro. It just looks like it's getting a repaint, makeover, that's it. But damn, bro, shout out to the guys here, bro, who worked on the car and everything, bro. It just looks absolutely amazing. And it's like, you know, just getting paint. It's not even done yet. He said like next week it should probably almost be put back together. So like probably before Christmas, it should be almost put together. I should probably get that exhaust very soon from the homie to put it on, because it will be on an open dump if I don't have one. And just gotta wait till the arcade one comes, and yeah, bro, she's gonna be home pretty damn soon. We're gonna see if we're gonna get those stickers here for the 891 Supra the way it comes. But yeah, bro. And I don't know when the seat comes. I don't know when that's gonna come in too, so still waiting on a couple more things to finish it off, but paint's pretty much done, bro. It looks absolutely good. This is just right now. She will be way cleaner when she's done. You guys can see all these little things on there, bubbles and all that. That will be all cleared off when they come and wash and do all that buffing, sanding, all that good. She is almost back, bro. She is almost back. I hope you guys are as excited as I am, bro, to have this Supra back. Oh, bro, and I still have a surprise for you guys that you guys still don't know, and you guys probably will find out till the reveal, but damn, bro, it's gonna be so sick. Damn, bro. Being in that paint booth, it is hot. But yo, huge shout out to Luis, bro, once again, bro, for letting me go in there and filming for you guys and just showing you the paint process and everything. Bro, he was even telling me like he couldn't find a painter and he had to do it himself. So, you know, I appreciate him for that, bro, for real, for real. He killed it, bro. He absolutely killed it. The car is looking good. He said by Monday the car should be getting sanded and polished, all that good for the car to look good. He said tomorrow he's gonna paint the rear bumper, front bumper, and he said he was gonna clear coat the carbon fiber wing, so it could look nice and shiny. So that's what he's gonna do. Damn, the car is coming along. The car is finally done with paint, basically. Just needs the 2 other pieces tomorrow, and after that, Monday is gonna get sanded and everything, and then putting the car together. I was actually just talking to the other guy, Juan, who rebuilt the car, like fixed all the dents and everything, and he was telling me like, yeah, there's like a lot of parts to like put back together. So he's like, I'm just trying to get it back to put it back together. Shout out to them again, once again, ABC Body ABC Auto Body Shop, bro. Always coming through. I've been coming here for years, bro. And if you guys ever need, you know, collision repair or anything like that, definitely hit them up, bro. Time to head home now and see what we get into, bro. I am just hella excited now that the car is basically almost done, bro. It's almost back, baby. Almost back. I just gotta basically get that exhaust ASAP, and hopefully I can get the seat ASAP too, so we can throw those in, and then car will basically be 95% done. Still waiting on one more thing, and I have yet to tell you guys that. But I'm not gonna tell you guys yet. You guys will have to wait for that. But it's gonna be such a good wait, a surprise, a good surprise, trust me.